Imagine you've packed everything you need, yet your bag still fits in the overhead compartment and you avoid that dreaded overweight baggage fee. No more scrambling at the airport, no more last-minute repacking. So get ready to master the art of packing and travel smarter. Let's uncover the tricks that save you space and money every time. But before starting, don't forget to smash this subscribe button so you never miss out on video like this. Let's start from number 10. Choose the right luggage. Have you ever wondered if your suitcase is silently working against you? Believe it or not, the wrong luggage can cost you money and stress. Lightweight, durable luggage is a traveler's best friend. Opt for a bag that maximizes interior space without adding unnecessary weight. This simple choice can save you from hefty overweight fees at the airport. Don't forget to double-check airline size restrictions. Not all carry-ons are created equal. A compact yet spacious suitcase ensures you're packing smarter, not harder. Consider bags with built-in compartments for added organization. Bonus points if they come with spinner wheels for easy maneuverability. Choosing the right luggage is like picking the perfect travel companion, one that'll never let you down. Number 9. Plan your wardrobe. Ever packed your entire closet only to wear the same 2 outfits repeatedly? It's time to break free from overpacking and master the art of wardrobe planning. Choose versatile pieces that can be mixed and matched to create multiple outfits. A neutral color scheme is your best bet. Think blacks, whites, and grays. Add a pop of color with accessories to keep your style fresh. Not only does this save space, but it also reduces decision fatigue while traveling. Lay out all your potential outfits before packing. If an item doesn't work with at least 2 other pieces, leave it behind. Trust us, you'll thank yourself later when your suitcase is neat and manageable. Number 8. Utilize packing cubes. Is your suitcase a chaotic mess by the second day of your trip? Packing cubes are here to revolutionize your travel game. These handy organizers allow you to separate your clothing into categories, making it easier to find what you need without rummaging through your entire bag. Assign each cube a specific purpose: tops, bottoms, underwear, or even accessories. The result? A tidy suitcase and a stress-free travel experience. Packing cubes also compress your clothing, giving you more room for souvenirs or other essentials. Plus, they're a lifesaver for family trips. Different colors for each person keep everyone's belongings sorted. Number 7. Roll, don't fold. Are wrinkles ruining your perfectly planned outfits? The solution might be simpler than you think. Rolling clothes instead of folding them minimizes wrinkles and saves valuable space. This method works especially well for t-shirts, jeans, and lightweight fabrics. Rolled clothes fit neatly into corners and crevices, maximizing every inch of your suitcase. Want to take it a step further? Roll outfits together, top, bottom, and accessories, so you can grab and go without wasting time sorting through your bag. It's a packing hack that'll make you wonder why you didn't try it sooner. Number 6. Master the art of layering your clothes. Why lug a stuffed suitcase when you can wear your wardrobe strategically? Layering isn't just for warmth, it's a packing hack in disguise. Imagine, instead of cramming multiple bulky pieces into your luggage, you wear lightweight, interchangeable layers that can be adjusted for any weather. A thin thermal shirt, a mid-layer sweater, and a packable jacket can cover you from chilly flights to sunny strolls. Not only does this save valuable suitcase space, but it also keeps you comfortable throughout your journey. Layering also reduces your chances of incurring overweight luggage fees. If your destination's weather is unpredictable, layered clothing ensures you're always ready for sudden changes. Additionally, wearing layers on a flight keeps you cozy and allows you to shed or add pieces as needed during layovers or long-haul trips. Layer smart, and you'll thank yourself when breezing through airport security without an overstuffed carry-on. Number 5. Use compression bags. Do you struggle to fit bulky items into your suitcase? Compression bags are a game changer for packing efficiency. These vacuum-sealed wonders remove excess air, dramatically reducing the size of items like jackets, sweaters, and even towels. Simply place your clothing in the bag, seal it, and roll to push out the air. Voila! Instant extra space. Compression bags are perfect for adventure travelers packing outdoor gear like raincoats or sleeping bags. They also make it easier to keep dirty and clean clothes separate during your trip. Just be sure to leave a little room for souvenirs or last-minute additions when packing for the return journey. While compression bags save room, remember to keep an eye on the overall weight of your luggage. It's easy to overpack when everything fits so neatly, but airline weight limits don't budge. Number 4. Adhere to liquid restrictions. Has a spilled bottle of shampoo ever turned your trip into a soggy mess? Solid toiletries might be the solution you've been looking for. Switch to solid versions of shampoo, conditioner, and soap to avoid leaks and comply with TSA regulations. These products are lightweight, long-lasting, and space-saving. If you prefer liquids, invest in reusable silicone travel bottles. They're leak-proof, easy to refill, and eco-friendly. Travelers on long trips can benefit from packing just enough liquid toiletries to last the first leg of the journey, then refilling as needed at their destination. Placing these items in a secondary waterproof pouch adds an extra layer of protection against leaks. Bonus: solid toiletries can often double as carry-on friendly, avoiding the hassle of packing them into checked bags. Place all liquids in a clear, quart-sized bag to speed through security checks. With this hack, you can keep your luggage clean and travel stress-free. Number 3. Roll socks and underwear into shoes. How much wasted space is hiding in your shoes? Turning them into storage units is an ingenious way to maximize every inch of your luggage. Stuff your socks, underwear, or even small gadgets into your shoes before packing them. This not only saves space, but also helps your footwear maintain its shape during transit. Add a shoe bag to keep your clothes clean and your packing pristine. For frequent travelers, this hack is a lifesaver as it keeps smaller essentials organized and easy to locate. Additionally, inserting dryer sheets or sachets into shoes can keep them, and the surrounding items in your suitcase, fresh throughout your trip. It's a simple, space-saving solution that ensures nothing goes unused. Number 2. Utilize your personal item allowance. What if you could carry more without paying extra? Airlines often allow a personal item in addition to your carry-on, and savvy travelers know how to make the most of it. Choose a spacious backpack or tote bag to carry essentials like electronics, medications, and valuables. By strategically packing your personal item, you can free up space in your main luggage for other items. Plus, keeping important items within reach ensures you're prepared for any situation during your journey. If you're carrying fragile or high-value items, your personal item can also serve as extra protection. Utilize interior compartments for quick access to your passport, phone, or headphones during airport checks or while on board. Choosing a lightweight yet durable personal item can also minimize strain when moving through busy terminals. Make sure your personal item meets airline size requirements to avoid any surprises at the gate. Number 1. Create a travel-friendly first aid kit. What if an unexpected scrape or headache derailed your trip? Packing a compact first aid kit can save you from unnecessary stress. Opt for a small pouch and include essentials like adhesive bandages, pain relievers, antiseptic wipes, and any prescription medications. To save even more space, use pill organizers or resealable bags for tablets. This kit ensures you're prepared for minor emergencies without overloading your luggage. Adding a travel-size hand sanitizer or a mini sewing kit to your first aid pouch can provide even more utility on the go. Adventure travelers may want to include insect repellent wipes or blister pads for outdoor excursions. Keep your kit in an accessible spot in your carry-on for emergencies during transit. A little foresight can make all the difference in keeping your journey smooth and worry-free. So, what do you think? Could these packing hacks transform the way you travel? By mastering these strategies, you can save space, avoid extra fees, and enjoy a stress-free packing experience. Which tip resonated with you the most? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more practical travel tips and tricks. Let's make every journey an adventure worth remembering.